Fire is a constant threat. It can strike anywhere at any time. Fire detection and alarm systems are vital. They save lives and protect property. Early warning allows quick evacuation and ensures faster firefighter response. These systems act as vigilant guardians. They minimize damage and offer financial benefits. Investing in them is essential for safety. Fire detection relies on sophisticated technology. It senses smoke, heat, and light. Smoke detectors are the most common. Smoke disrupts the light path, triggering the alarm. Multi-sensor detectors enhance accuracy. Fire alarm systems are intricate networks. They alert occupants in case of fire. Detection devices sense smoke or heat. Signals are sent to the control panel. The panel activates alarms. Audible alarms are placed throughout the building. Visual alarms aid those with hearing impairments. Emergency lights guide occupants to safety. Section 4. Real-time alerts, enhancing safety measures. Traditional fire alarms rely on audible and visual signals. Recent advancements enable real-time alerts on smartphones. Owners can monitor situations remotely. Integrated into building management systems for centralized control. This ensures faster, coordinated responses. Early detection, the key to effective response. In the event of a fire, every second counts. Early detection is crucial for saving lives. It provides precious extra seconds for evacuation. Occupants have more time to evacuate safely. Firefighters can arrive before the fire spreads. This enables quicker and more effective firefighting.